Hello everyone, I have a job order here and this is for Yokohama, Kanagawa. We need one person for this job and the job description is advertising, planning, and sales. So the ability skills for this, you have to know Word, Excel, and PPT. So again, this is for Yokohama, Kanagawa. The working hours for this will be from 9 o'clock to 1800 and the salary is from 210,000 to 250,000 yen, and there will be bonus for this job also. So if you are interested, you can comment down below or you can also call our office number at 036-206-8058. We also conduct everyday schedule for we have a job fair interview in our main office in Kanda Station. So if you are willing to apply for this job, just let us know, comment down below, and everyone is welcome for this. And by the way, the language preferences for this job is business level of Japanese. Thank you very much.